Good day everyone! So for today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng YouTube channel name. Kung makikita nyo dito, I'm using Android phone and make sure meron kayong YouTube application. And after that, make sure naka-login kayo sa email niyo and dapat meron kayong YouTube channel. Tapos, on the lower right side, makikita nyo dito yung U tab. Click nyo yan. And then, click nyo yung view channel. Then, click nyo yung parang pencil button. Tapos, makikita nyo dito yung YouTube name. Click nyo yung pencil button to edit. And then, change your name. Let's say, for example, we want to change it to RP Vlogs. Then, click Save. After nyan, you successfully change your name and makikita nyo dito from RP Dream, magkakaroon ng changes yung name niyan. So, let us wait for a while. Siguro, let us wait for minutes para mag-reflect yung changes na ginawa natin. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, from RP Dream, nag-change na to RP Vlogs. And then, you may now start creating videos as well.